choreographed by Cassidy Greger. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 4 and 9. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about both tags, and then we're going to go around and dance 10 walls of a dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Santa's Honky-Tonk. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to stomp your right foot next to your left. We're now going to fan our toes out to the right, into the left, and out to the right, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now kind of split weight. We're now going to swivel both heels to the right, both toes to the right, both heels to the right, both toes to the center. Weight's going to be on your right foot to end that section. Let's try it with some counts. You're stomping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, you're going to stomp your left foot to the left side. You're now going to swivel your right heel in towards the left, right toes in towards the left, right heel into the left. You're now going to kick your right foot low and forward, step your right foot back, and you're going to hook your left heel up to your right shin, making a figure 4 with your left knee, and then step your left foot slightly forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weight would have been on our right foot. You're stomping your left foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we do a Lindy to the right. So you're going to make that quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left foot next to your right, step your right foot to the right side. You're now going to rock your left foot behind your right and recover onto your right foot. We're now going to do a Lindy to the left, so we're going to chasse to the left, left side, right together, left side, and you're going to rock back with your right foot and recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped forward with our left. You're going to make that quarter turn and chasse to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to hop forward with both feet, right, left, and you're going to hold. Now you're going to bump your hips twice to the right, bump your hip twice to the left. We're now going to do a slow hip roll going counterclockwise from left to right, going around and then coming back and putting your weight onto your left foot. And that is the end of the dance, and you'll start all over with your stomp and heel fan. So now, let's try that with some counts. We would have just rocked back with our right and recover. We're hopping forward. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stomping that right foot next to your left. Stomp, fan out, in, out, heels, toes, stomp left, right heel, right toe, right heel, kick, step back, hook, step forward, quarter Lindy, rock back, recover Lindy, rock back, hop forward, right, left, hold, bump, 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 then around, weights left. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're stomping that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now you'll see in the video that they just kind of bump their hips back and forth. That is totally your choice. The step sheet does say bump twice to the right, twice to the left, then around, doing a hip roll, making sure your weight is on your left foot, but have fun with it. So now let's talk about the tags. We have 2 different tags. The first tag is going to happen on the end of wall 4. You'll be facing 12 o'clock. You're going to add on an 8 count tag. What we're going to do is we're going to do 2 step half pivots. You're going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now at 6 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to return to 12 o'clock. You're now going to stomp your right foot forward and then stomp your left foot next to your right, and you're going to do 2 claps, and that is the first tag. So let's try it with some counts. Step half pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you're done clapping, you want to make sure your weight all the way on your left foot so that you could start the dance all over again. You'll then go around one more time. When we come back to the front wall, that is wall 9. You will dance the full 32 counts, ending at the side wall with your hip roll. We're going to add on tag 2. Tag 2 is just heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, heels, toes, once to the right and once to the left. So we would have just done our hips and around, so we're going to do heels, toes, heels, starting with our right to the right, heels, toes, heels, toes. Now you're going to do your heels, toes to the left, heels, toes, and that is the whole tag. So let's try it with some counts. Heels, toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's going to be helpful when you do that last toe is that instead of going really far to the right, come more center so that you can go back the other direction. The further you go to the side, the harder it is it's going to be go with your heels. So when you come to this last heel, when you bring your toes, make sure they're center so then you can pivot to the left with your heels, and then make sure your toes are center to end the one to the left as well so that you can start the dance all over again. So now we're going to go around. We're going to do 10 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition between both tags. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stomping with your stomp, stomp, fan, 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 heels, toes, stomp, heel, toe, heel, kick, back, hook, step, quarter, Lindy, rock back, recover, Lindy, rock back, hop forward, out, out, hold, bump, 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 and around, now stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, fan, 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 heels, toes, stomp, heel, toe, heel, kick, back, hook, step, quarter, Lindy, rock back, recover, Lindy, rock back, hop forward, right, left, hold, bump, 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 and around, now stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do your tag step, half, stomp, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, fan, 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 heels, toes, stomp, heel, toe, heel, kick, step, hook, step, quarter, Lindy, rock back, Lindy, rock back, now hop, out, out, bump, bump, and around, stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, fan, 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 heels, toes, stomp, heel, toe, heel, kick, back, hook, step, Lindy, rock back, recover, Lindy, rock back, now hop, out, out, bump hip, and around, stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, fan, 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 heels, toes, stomp, heel, toe, heel, kick, back, hook, step, quarter, Lindy, rock back, and Lindy, rock back, hop, bump hips, then around, do your tag 2, heels, toes, center, heels, center, start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. There's no ending. The dance naturally ends facing 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, scroll to the end of the video and practice with the rear facing demo so that you can go out and rock this dance on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Santa's Honky Tonk. If you have any questions, let me know.